So Mi Band 3, the great fitness tracker and the successor of Mi Band 2. So let's figure out the things that has been changed in this new fitness tracker. So if you are new in this channel, then definitely hit that subscribe button and bell icon. And with that being said, without pretty much delay, let's get move into the video. So what we get inside the box is the tracker itself. They have the strap inside, then we get the user manual, which is all two in Chinese, so I'm not going to read it out for you because I don't know Chinese. The overall experience of this unboxing is quite good. We have the compartment inside the box in which the charging dock is present over here, which is quite good in the material quality. Having the band also in material quality, quite good. So let's come into the review. So let's talk about the design itself. So the Mi Band 2 has a fairly by the number design, but it gets the job done like more affordable Fitbits. So the device itself is separate from the band and can be popped out for charging, and the straps can be swapped out for different colors. Overall, Xiaomi sells blue, red straps directly, and the third-party alternatives will undoubtedly appear in the near future as well. The band that comes with the device is rubbery, somewhat plain. Barely was understandably concerned about the latching mechanism degrading over time. It's made from the same material as the previous two Mi Bands, both of which had the same problem. So far it's done just fine, and replacing it is easy if something does go wrong. So it's comfortable to wear it too, thanks to its slim profile and lightweight. There are ample sizes settings available, so it should fit on most wrists. Compared to previous Mi Bands, the 3 is a looker. So the face is made entirely of curved glass, which gives it a very premium feel. Give the price point, the OLED display sits in the middle side of the screen glass panel with invisible bezels. So this works well, and it feels nice to swipe the touch, and it's also very responsive. The screen didn't pick up any scratches during my testing, but only time will tell it's remain the case or not. So coming overall, other than swipes and scrolling, the only other interactive element is the small indent at the bottom of the screen, which works like a back key. The one downside with regards to this display is severe lack of sunlight visibility. Bailey says that it was an upgrade from Mi Band 2, but that's more an indictment of that device. It's very hard to make out what's going on in direct sunlight. However, since most interaction is handled on phone, more on this movement, that's not a could be as a big issue for me. As added bonus, the device is water resistant, means you can wear it in shower or pool without worrying about the ruining of a new toy. So let's come about for the features and performance. So the real question, whether the Mi Band 3 can do everything you need, the answer depends very much on who you are and what you need. So as basic health tracker, the Mi Band 3 can do a lot. It can track calories, count steps, monitor your heart rate, and register sleep. It does all of these things well from the most part. The heart rate monitoring seems fairly accurate and consistent with what I would expect throughout the day. Collaborating devices you can decide in the app how frequently it checks your heart rate, allowing you to better balance the complements of the data with the device's battery life. You can choose between 10, 30 intervals minutes for heart rate monitoring. This is very welcome feature we wish more trackers offered. Getting your heart rate checked every minute provides much more detail and granular insights into your day. So it was present on the Apple's iWatch, but it will cost you more than enough. You can get, I think, 4 or 5 Mi Band 3s under that price. It lets you to fun things like observe how your heart rate goes through the roof, running down date after a strong coffee. This is something a lot of trackers just can't offer, even at most expensive end of the spectrum. With 1 minute tracking, the battery life is roughly 2 days. That's still impressive, but certainly some things to keep in mind if you are switching from previous Mi Bands, which consistently offer you weeks of battery with 30-minute tracking. It can impressively last for a couple of weeks, more than enough juice for most of the people. The sleep tracking is basic but accurate. You can basically just get the total time spent sleeping along with how that time was divided between light and deep sleep. Is a useful nudge to catch or change some habits, and it's encouraged to see how smart sleep hygiene changes can benefit to you in regard. Sleep detection is also automatic, so you won't need to remember to tell Mi Band you are going to bed. Again, this was accurate in time with it. That's it for the video, guys. So if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Catch you guys later on this coming video. Till then, peace out and bye bye.